Hey guys, this is my KX100. Just want to do a little update on it, seeing I haven't done one in a couple of years, well, since I got it. Couple of things to start off. I got a new number, 18. It's much better than my old one in my opinion. License plate for the dam, because I'm Connecticut. And I did have a Pro Circuit pipe, but my friend slid into a tree and bent that pretty bad, so didn't have money to order a new one, so I went and got a stocker. Not bad, like $60 or so. I like it. It's pretty clean, I guess. I want to get a power washer so I could really do it before the year starts off. But trying to get my grandpa's for next weekend, or this weekend. Pretty nice. I cleaned off all the plastics. As you can see, they're all nice and except this one back here. See, you got a couple scratches on it and whatnot. I did put a couple new stickers on. I've got 2 motorsport stickers. I just ordered some gear from them. Nice Fox. And I'm loving it so far. The Thomaston Dam's supposed to open this weekend, so I will be going up there with my friend. And my mom's barn, she rides horses, she has 90 acres they're going to let me use. And Rocky Hill Motocross is open yesterday, so I'm going to try to get up there once in a while. Tried no job and it cost $30. So. Oh, I also got a new clutch and front brake levers because mine broke. And I got the hand guards because getting hit with a rock does not feel good. And I just got some new grips because mine were wearing down. I love them. They're nice. So I'll do a cold start. It's pretty old. It's like a year-old gas in it, so I might not start the first couple kicks. So let me try to figure out how to set this camera up, seeing it's an iPhone 4. Alright. Yeah, it hasn't been started in about a week, so it took a couple kicks, old gas like I said, but it's running really good right now, you can see. I have the choke on right now. I'll turn it off in a minute. It's really nice. I love this bike. It's really nice. Not completely warmed up, but yeah, it's nice. It's a great bike. I would recommend it, but I would not get an 85 and go to this. I just go to right with a 125. I myself skipped over getting an 85 for this bike. I'm from a DRZ 125, which crap. To this, I am going to try to get this in the next month or two, a YZ 125 or SX 150. So, those are the bikes I want. Maybe a 2005 RM 125, I don't know yet. But I will keep you guys informed. And, yeah, this is a great bike. Thanks for watching.